Hi guys, having trouble keeping focused here. What I was going to do was have another look at this, I think it's Monster High. Draculara, I think her name is, the one that's supposed to drive this one. And I did convert it to hobby grade. Stuck a gearbox and motor on the back here, because originally it's just a push along. Cut the front about and 3D printed some steering from the front, for the front. But I kept the original hard plastic wheels all round, because I wanted to keep it as original as possible. And it does run. I'll need to put an ESC in there and a receiver just so we can see it run. So I'll probably do that just so you can see it running. But I was thinking of changing the wheels. If you've seen previous episodes, you know I bought these wheels by accident. So I've been looking for things to do with them. And I reckon I could get them in there. Those are adapters I printed up to use on something else. But I reckon they would just about fit there. Might have to cut the bodywork out a little bit more. At the back end we've got more of a problem if we want to cut the bodywork to put different wheels in. Because we'd have to cut out the support posts. And probably cut into that area there as well. Which we could do. And I think I might do. The actual body shell doesn't necessarily need to be screwed into all those bits. It holds on at the back and the front anyway. So could do that. I was looking at this car, which has been on the table for quite a while. I was going to do some work on it. It's infrared controlled. That there is, the infrared sensor is under there. And those wheels are quite nice. In fact, the gearbox in there I think we'll find is the same as that gearbox. And those wheels could fit in there if we cut it around a bit. The actual distance across there is about the same as that distance. So they could fit in there. Could even use the steering. At the front as well. So I could use the parts out of that. But before I do that, I want to convert this one to radio control instead of infrared. I might even convert it to hobby grade. In fact, hobby grade is easier than converting it to ordinary toy grade. And then there's something else I'd like to do. I'd like to try out a little theory I've got with the infrared receiver in there. Try and link it to an ordinary toy grade radio control receiver. Like this one. But rather than use all the components on there, I just want the radio frequency part of the circuit. So what you have to do is identify the feed that goes into the, is that one or not? Yeah, that's an RX2 chip. So I can't remember which pin it is, but one of those pins is the pin that takes the input from the radio frequency, or the radio receiver part of it, goes into the RX2 chip, and then that's converted to your forwards, backwards, left, right. So part of that board with the infrared controller to see if we can control the infrared controller with the input from the radio frequency receiver circuit there. That all sounds a bit complicated, doesn't it? But that is what I'd like to do, just to see, or to answer an old question actually, which was about how the RX2 chips work. I did do a video demonstrating the RX2 and the TX2 chips. Anyway, a lot of waffle. 5 minutes into the video already and we've done nothing. What I'm going to do in this video is convert this tardigrade, because that's the easiest thing to do. Once I've done that and we've run it around a bit, I'll decide whether I'm going to pinch all the bits out of there and put them in there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.